Hey everybody, welcome to today's session. In today's video, we're going to do a pre-market analysis of the currency pairs that are on my watch list, what potential trading opportunities we have for the coming week and this coming month, as it's just beginning. It's just a brand new month. Obviously, next week we're going to start November. And so with that being said, if you'll find this video being of value, please give us a like. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on that bell notification so that you'll be notified whenever we release content in the future. So with that being said, let's start off with DXY, obviously our personal favorite. I don't feel like starting in the lower time frame, so I'm just going to take it all the way from the monthly. So we can see from the monthly perspective, we have some kind of a lack of momentum as the candle this month is closing with a doji. Obviously, the trend is bullish because we just broke above this high. We broke above this high. So the trend is clearly bullish. But the momentum right now is kind of weak. So this is what I'm anticipating to see. Okay, so you can see live here from the weekly perspective that these highs have been taken out and prices are now struggling to break this resistance structure up here. Right, from the weekly perspective, obviously prices, you can see for the whole last month, prices have been reaching, rejected. So this is a very hard area to breach, but no doubt the trend is bullish and we are looking to tap these highs. So how are we going to break this high? Obviously, we need to look for more solid bullish momentum. So where are we going to get that? Because we can see the trend is clear, a strong trend. Clearly, it's a strong bullish trend. Now, in a strong trend, where do you look for retracements? Obviously, it's on a 0.38 Fibonacci key level. And on this trend, that will be somewhere here. So you can see the 0.38 aligns with the most recent high that was just broken. So obviously, this is where we are going to be looking for our retracements. Let me remove these distractions. So we can see on the daily time frame, we really don't have that much momentum for prices to keep on pushing high. Now, what am I really looking for? I'm looking for prices to start selling. So currently we still are in some kind of a consolidation as prices are indicating dojis, a lack of momentum, but we still don't have that bearish pressure. So what I'm looking for really is for me to notice that the trend has clearly begun, is for prices to break below here. That will give me the clear indication that the trend is now bearish, sell, dump, right? Or as you can see right now, prices just broke above this trend line. So we might be looking to see that. Now, should prices break below here, we'll be selling right here. If prices take off and hit this resistance, we'll be selling, dumping like crazy all the way out here. So that's my perspective on the DXY. However, this isn't what I'm really going to be focusing on this coming week because it's still really not clear as to where we will it start selling. Will it break below here first or will it pump until up here first? So this is kind of, you have to wait and see how Monday plays out and start looking for trading opportunities maybe Tuesday, Wednesday. But if we look at its partner, the JPY, this is ripe and ready to eat. So you can see here on JPY, prices are really talking about this descending trend line, and we have a clear as day broken structure here, where we'll just be waiting for this retest before prices take off. And obviously, we understand that JPY is inversely correlated to DXY, so should this keep on buying, DXY will be dumping. So that isn't really how will this be affecting other currency pairs? I'm glad you asked. So JPYX, I'm not really going to be talking about the US dollar pairs, but JPYX will be impacting this. We'll be looking for sellers. Obviously, right now prices like this kind of structure here, might say resistance structure, support, excuse me. So you can see it was valid all the way since back here. JPY will keep on dumping. JPY, same thing applies. With this one, it has already been aggressive. Like prices are already dumping like crazy. As you can see, the trend here, the trend already created that high, created this low. This is the low. Low below this low, so it was low, low, and now prices are below the lower low again. So obviously, with JPY, it's already clear as day where prices are heading. Keep on waiting, or I'll keep on looking for the opportunities with prices keep on down. So I'm just looking for that, and then prices will keep on falling. Prices keep on pushing lower all the way up to those targets. Prices down. So that's what I'm really going to be focused on this time. The JPY are already ready to hit, ready to take advantage of, unlike the US dollar pairs. So obviously, we'll be focusing more at the beginning of the week with the JPY pairs. And as the week evolves, as prices keep on advancing, we'll be looking for trading opportunities on the US dollar pairs. So that's my view on the coming week, how prices I'm anticipating them to play out, obviously in the coming month, because it's just the beginning of the month. So with that being said, I hope you have a killer week, a killer month, and the rest of the year. Let's send in profits. If you found value in this video, please consider subscribing, like, and share with a few friends that you believe will also find value in it. Till next time, guys, appreciate you all. Take it easy out there.